Hello friends, welcome back to our channel English with 3 Smart Masters. Today I am going to show you something. See, my mother wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning and she is making aloo parathas because she has to make aloo parathas, and we have eaten two aloo parathas and she hasn't eaten any aloo paratha, so she is making aloo paratha, and she is also going to eat the breakfast of aloo parathas. And she they do something or the other. Then they were fighting for making parathas, and I said, mother, you eat, I'll roll the parathas. Then they both started fighting, and see what you can see. This is arrowroot. You can see, you will have water in your mouth. I won't see. Now you can see this is paratha, and see on tawa there is one more paratha, and my mother haven't eaten one bite of paratha since morning, so she is going to eat paratha. What you can see, it's a flower, not that one flowers. This is wheat flower. Many beginners will not know. This is wheat flower.
Eating one flower. Yes,
Wheat eating one flower. And why were you fighting? Tell me.
like that.
Why?
Like that.
Mama is doing everything.
Because because mother said that don't take this, and he takes.
So he is my younger brother. Why don't you give him? It's a bad thing.
Because mother said that anyone won't take this spatula, and he was taking.
So he is your younger brother. So he would take anything. You know he is very naughty. You don't know.
You should give him.
You should give him a spatula. And see, he is making arrowroot. You can see, and he said, you can see, and see, he is taking some oil, and you can see everything setting here. And my grandma is coming to show something, and see, it is Raman. He is pouring oil on the tawa. On arrowroot means the arrowroot is on the tawa. Now you can see, as they have made the parathas in right. There is chutney. You let me show you. See, it is chutney. You can see. You
On
will
the
eat
spoon.
it on the spoon. And see, we put the chutney in the paratha, and we eat the paratha on tawa. And
So
see,
you can see.
you
I am
can see.
going to make one aloo tikki. Like this. First you do like this, and then.
And see, he is making arrowroot one. Hi you, Aryan. What are you doing? Aryan, what are you? Who will eat this? And
I am going to eat this.
and more. And there is more. Can I eat one? Can I eat one?
Okay, you can eat.
So why are you making arrowroot? Tell me.
Not arrowroot, aloo tikki.
Aloo tikki. Why are you making aloo tikki?
कैसा तो यार हम आलू का लगे है.
Why are you making?
Bacon, and we bacon.
And who will eat this?
Flip it. I will flip it.
Aloo tikki has been made.
And see, Aman is making one more aloo tikki.
Is being made.
It will be broken away.
And don't fight. Aman, what are you doing this?
It will be broken away.
Amma, what are you doing this? What are you doing? Tell me.
I am kneading the dough for making parathas.
And chutney also.
I have already prepared that.
Okay. And you can see now the aloo tikki is made. Now I will eat and see. Why are you fighting?
You do with this food, I'll do with it.
Why are you fight? Why, Bo? Why are you fighting? Don't fight. Pour some oil on aloo tikki.
5 किलो ऑयल भर दो इसमें 5 kg.
Oh, what the mama said. The tawa will be so much hot. Mama will have so much difficulty to wash this tawa. Now you can see this is washing place, and you can see this is oil, this is chakla, and
Pastry board. Chakla in English, pastry board.
pastry board. You can see tinders. We are burning tinders, but there
Belan
is
is English, rolling pin.
rolling pin. And now you can see this is tinder. We brought so many tinders from the dada. You won't able to recognize. You can see that they both are fighting. Aman, what are you eating? The ararot aloo tikki?
I'm not eating, but I'm making it. And the second one is being made, and I put the oil both sides. It's going to be cooked. And
Then I'll eat that,
yes, we three will eat it.
and mama also will eat.
We have to make one more, okay?
And see, both of them flip the second one aloo tikki. And see, there is a lot
Open the plate.
of pollution, but that's okay. In villages, and so many villages cases, in markets, you will see
Aryan,
no one
I'm
bring
getting late.
tinder.
Do quickly.
Aman, Aryan, do quickly, hurry up. And now you can see that the ararot, the aloo tikki is going to be made, and we bring tinders, but there is so many pollution, and that's okay. And in villages no one mind pollution, what we mind. And our
So, mother has needed the
Haman,
and
oh,
she's
mama
going to
has,
put us,
and
and the
she
chutney
has
is over
making,
here. Can I
and
eat
see.
some? Look, I'm eating some.
Give me some.
Here you go.
I will eat.
Okay.
Now you can see that mama is waiting for the tawa to will empty, and they both are not going to make the tawa empty. You can see the road, and you can see my mom is very angry, so both of them are not leaving the tawa because she has to do household chores, but they don't mind. He don't mind. They both don't mind household chores. See, mama has to do that. Mama know the household chores, how much time it takes to do household chores, like washing clothes, washing utensils. And you can see there will be so many problems to wash this tawa,
Speak up.
but they both are not minding they both are not emptying the tawa. Aryan,
Yes.
if the tea is made,
अब बाद में बना लेना. अब
अमन?
ये पराठे बना दें तो अम्मा जी तब फिर इसके बनाना.
Now you can see.
वो जिंजर वाली है.
Actually लगागी.
This is dough, and mama is getting up, and she is going to do a lot of things, but they both are not emptying the tawa. Hey you, I'm saying to you, and you little, hey you naughty piggy, don't do. Why are you showing me tongue?
Let's wrap up it.
Wrap up it, Aman. And you can see this is
Stop
good dog.
making the video.